Today I'll be showing you how to make kinetic sand on a budget using 3 simple, inexpensive ingredients. For this activity, you're going to need a large bowl, a whisk or a spoon, and a measuring cup. I'll be using a 1/4 cup, but you can use any size you want as long as the ratios are correct. First, you're going to need some decorative sand. It comes in different colors and you can usually find it in the gardening section of the dollar store. Next, you'll need cornstarch or flour, and some oil. Today I'll be using vegetable oil. First, you're going to pour in 5 scoops of the colored sand. This is an excellent opportunity for kids to work on scooping, pouring, measuring. You can incorporate some math skills in there, and it's also just fun. Next, you're going to add 3 scoops of cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch available, you can also use flour, but it won't give you the same silky texture. Now that you have those 2 ingredients, you're going to stir it together until it's well mixed. You want to try to get out as many of the clumps as you can. This is a great way for kids to use different tools in the kitchen. I also think it's great if they get in there with their hands so they can really feel the different textures and have that fun sensory experience. The last ingredient is 1 scoop of oil. And then you're going to need to stir it together. Really get all of the liquid mixed in with the dry ingredients. You want to try to get as many clumps out as possible. So we're going to stir, stir, stir. Pinch it with our hands, really get in there. And you can see how vibrant the color is once you add the oil. Now it should start to feel like kinetic sand. If it's too sticky, you might need to add a little bit more cornstarch. Now I'm going to add some red sand that I made and mix it in with the blue to make this beautiful, vibrant purple color. I made red, blue, and purple kinetic sand. What color can you make? If you have some cookie cutters or stencils, you can really have some fun making different shapes. Hope you enjoy.